Oh my god, my back. This is what it looks like now, the final result, and I'm very happy.
Say horse, the horse. The horse, the horse.
Yeah, that plastic, see? I was worried guys kasi akala ko amin yan ba. Chinek ko kaagad kasi dito kami sa gilid ng daan nagparking. Kasi kagabi pagka uwi namin wala nang maparkingan doon. So chinek ko kaagad, hindi naman. Oh, careful anak ha. Intact naman yung atin. So, yeah. Sa ibang sasakyan yan. Natakot akong bigla. Okay. Yes.
Find it.
Yeah, that's plastic I'm looking. But it's all good. Kabihis na yan siya kasi dadalhin natin sa kanyang school. Hmm? Come on, let's go! Alang natin natin sa school holidays kaya magkasama kami dito. Okay, so we just dropped baby Celine and alam niyo ba, parang nafe-feel niya na yung ate niya ay walang class, walang school kasi ayaw niyang pumasok. Sasabi niya na, I want you mommy, I want you mommy. So, kami na Ate Paris, nag-pretend kami na, oh, come on Ate Paris kasi you'll be late for school. Para maano siya ba, kasi iniisip niya bakit sa Ate Paris na sa bahay. Diba? So, anyways, na-drop namin siya dito sa harapan ng school niya, nakita niyo before. Meron silang thrift shop or ukay ba. And this one here is really, really cheap, guys. And minsan, may nakikita kang mga, ano, like, not bad things, you know? And may nabili kami. And you won't believe it, it's 50 cents. Ayoko sanang bumili, guys. But ito siya, kasi may nakita siya. You show, anak.
This is called snake rice. This is the instructions. Place contents in conditioner.
Wait, container.
Add 1 or 2 cups of water. Snow, so much snow.
Yeah. And how much this was?
So much snow.
How much?
50 cents.
50 cents. At meron kaming $2 na coin. So, para hindi na siya masuklian, may mga rack sila na pang kids for 50 cents. Alam niyo ba? Kasi hindi ako natingin-tingin eh. I found this stuff. Tingnan niyo. Pang tulog ni baby Celine, this size 3. Diba? Perfect na yan.
That's the slime base.
Yeah. And then dress for Celine. 50 cents. My God. And then another one is a cardigan. This is for 5. So, I mean like for 5 years old. So, kasha to Ate Paris. And it's still very nice. Look. Yeah, but the size, anak. You can still fit the size 5. Very nice. So, ayan. Wala na kami sukli sa aming $2. Binili na namin lahat. It is strange na Friday at wala tayong appointments. Kasi normally, di ba? Pag Friday, si mami nyo ay appointments dito, appointments doon. Kasi ito lang yung araw na nagagawa natin. But since I have my nails, I have my lashes, and I don't need to get my hair done as yet. So, yung gagawin natin ngayon ay, pero pupunta kami ng shops kasi may bibilhin ako, guys. Yesterday, nagpa-deliver ako ng drawer. So, nakita nyo yung tall boy namin sa loob ng kwarto. Yung drawers pa. Sira na yun, guys. Kasi sa ilalim, anong tawag ito? Wasak na siya talaga. Alam niyo yung cardboard. Tapos, kapag marami kang nilalaman, ay umaano siya. Nasisira siya. So, yesterday, I made a decision na bibili ng not new, but new to me from Facebook Marketplace. So, may nakita ako na 6 drawers. Maganda pa siya, guys. Like new condition. So, pinadeliver ko kasi buti na lang yung nagbibenta ay nagde-deliver din for extra fee. Pinadeliver ko, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So, yung old nilabas ko na, and, you know, I have lots of things to do like folding and organizing and all that. And I'm so happy because I have today na wala si baby Celine. And this one, you know, she can look after herself naman. Like, she can do things like ganito na paglaro siya lang mag-isa. Kaya, parang nakaka-focus ako sa gusto kong mag-decorate. Gusto kong mag-decorate. So, we'll see kung ano yung makikita natin today. Dito kami sa Venus. Buang ka. Look. Titingin kami ng mga pwedeng gamitin sa bahay pang decorate. Maganda to siya. Oh, I think ito pang to siya, pang necktie. Naman tayong maraming necktie, but organized yung oh, scarf or necktie actually. Oh, we'll get this one lang. Ate, hold that one.
Is that our hanger?
Yeah, that's for scarf. You can put your scarf there or necktie. We can grab this one as well. $4. Guys, decoration. Nak, where do you think we should put this one?
Inside our bedroom.
Yeah. Okay, we'll have a look for more.
Okay, we better get going.
Ukulele. Ukulele. That's nice. You have guitar at home already, honey?
Yeah, I just want to try it.
Wondering what's this for. Anak, what do you think we can put in here? Anak, maybe toilet paper? What can you put in here? Maganda siya eh. Yeah, maybe toilet paper lang. It's 2 of them too. Madamis lang mga kung anik-anik dito.
Mama, so I'm here right looking at you.
Yes. That's nice, isn't it? When we go to Melbourne.
Oh, let me push.
Show me the front. Look, it's unicorn.
There's a charm on it.
That's lovely. Try to open it, love. You can put your clothes in there, Celine's. What's that bad? $5?
Where is this one? And do you see that?
Be gentle, please. Ah, yeah, lovely. Oh.
Maybe we should buy this one.
Nako, pet blanket lang. Maybe we should get one for Louis.
Mama, maybe when it's July, the 31st of July, maybe we should buy one for Melbourne.
Yeah.
For the next day.
But you do have one already.
Yeah.
The sky.
It's really hard to open, you know.
Nah.
When I zip, it's really hard.
The same.
How much is this?
I'm not sure. That's cool.
I've been wishing for one of these.
No, kasi ang dami nilang mga
Mike, come here.
pwedeng bilhin dito.
Can we ask how much it is? Can we ask how much it is?
Yeah, we'll ask inside, okay? Ito, may mga storage sila. What do you think lang? Shall we get this now? Storage. We need lots of this. Actually.
Just get one of them.
No, we'll just grab 2. Because there's only 2 anyways. We'll just grab them. But, nandito kami sa loob, guys. Fitting room. Kasi may nakita ako. Oh my God.
I
Sige, chika.
got something. It's a fairy. So when you put it on your hands, it'll fly, and the person said it might glow.
Yeah, I think you put like there's a charger. Anyways, ito yung nakita ko, guys. Brand new. This is a really good brand here in Australia. Shana Joy. Yan, brand new lahat. $40. And I love the color. Alam niyo si mami niyo, guys, ganito yung aking color palette. And I said, I'm gonna... Oh, this is so different. Tingnan niyo, may paslit. I'm gonna give it a try. And if it fits me well, I'll get that one. So, yan ang ating pa-outfit for today. Yan ang aking skirt. Flats. My Fendi bag. And then, denim jacket kasi maginaw. Yeah. I really like the style, guys. I like the color. But, tingnan nyo. Hindi ko bet yung dito. Size 6 siya ha, size 6. So I was expecting it to be like, you know, smaller. But I think ganyan talaga yung style niya, yung parang pabaggy look. But kung wala sana ito, hindi ko bet. Ito, oh. Maybe you can take it off, yeah? Pero ganyan siya kung dito. What's the count? Better. I think I'm gonna get this. Kasi kakaiba siya eh. I think nakita niyo naman ako kay Heart ba? Na ganito yung style niyan siya ngayon, diba? Yung parang malaki yung dito ba?
I got it.
So yeah, I might be able to wear it tonight kasi meron tayong birthday na atin tonight. Nice! I think I'll grab this na. Nasa cafe kami ni Ate Paris, guys. No Sugar yung name ng cafe. Malapit lang dito sa bahay. Malapit lang sa Venice kung saan kami pumunta before. So, umorder kami ng hot chocolate for me, iced chocolate for Ate Paris, and I also ordered my favorite toasted almond croissant. Yeah. I think like it goes...
Yeah, it spins around. Will fly.
Do you think it flies now? See?
Yeah, it's just supposed to fly. That is the fly.
Starlight Idol. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Look at this. Ooh. So today is the 28th of June, guys. And you know what? Today is actually very special for Daddy and Mommy. You know why? Because today, 8 years today, Mama said yes to Daddy. It means I said to Daddy, yeah, okay, Daddy, I can be your girlfriend. 8 years ago today, first kiss namin ni Daddy Mike, diba? Kasi, nung nag-date-date pa kami ni Daddy Mike, hindi talaga siya nakakiss sa akin, guys. Hanggang lang, alam niyo yung like, ganun pagmahal sa akin. Thank you. That's yours, Ate. But yung kiss, wala talaga. So, tsaka pa nakakiss si Daddy Mike sa akin nung sinagot ko na siya. I remember, nandun kami sa, office niya, sa city, kasi yung office ni Daddy Mike sa city sa Melbourne, guys, 31st floor, and obviously may sila, ang tawag ito, may pass. At that night, that day, nag-date kami ni Daddy Mike, and then he took me to his office kasi kita yung view ng Melbourne, you know, the lights and everything. So it was very, ang tawag dito, very beautiful and romantic. And then Daddy Mike started dancing Mama without music. So Daddy Mike like took my hand and then we danced, slow dance without music. And then that time I said yes. So I said, okay, Daddy, I think, you know, kasi it was like few months already na Daddy Mike was courting me. And then I think that time I already accepted na, you know, like I'm falling in love with Daddy Mike. So, yeah, and now we have Ate Paris, baby Celine. Wala kaming celebration today kasi Daddy Mike is working sa office, and then later on, pag pick up namin sa kanya, it's my cousin's birthday. So, we are going to some restaurant in Mount Gravatt for dinner. So, yan na rin yun. Parang mix-mix na. Ang aming celebration ay sasama na lang namin sa birthday ng pinsan ko. And tomorrow we have something on again. So Daddy Mike and I will just have our intimate na celebration kaming dalawa, na we will just, you know, celebrate our 8 years of togetherness. So he woke me up this morning. Yeah, 8 years, honey. He woke me up this morning before siya punta ng work. Sabi niya, happy anniversary, Mommy. I love you. And it's very nice. No, very bright here lang. Pero sunbathing tayo dito.
I'm very bright.
Move there lang. Go. So we are now walking towards Bunnings. Ate Paris natin ay, ayan, yes, bit-bit naman ang kanyang laruan.
I just dropped under the car.
Yeah,
But luckily,
lucky.
it was like just near the wheel.
Yeah.
And that was
Ayun naman ang, sausage.
Because if it was in the middle, I would have not got it.
Mm-hmm. the orange one. No, that one. The other one. That one behind.
Yeah. That's that.
Oh my god, my back. So yung hinahanap namin, oh, kasi yung gusto kong gusto kong ilagay sa wall yung mga frames, and kailangan ganyan ba, oh, level ba, make sure it's straight. Kaya sakit ang ulo ko eh. Finally home, and papakita ko sa inyo yung sinasabi ko kanina na chest of drawers na binili ko, and this is what it looks like. Diba last time meron kaming mas matangkad? Pero, mas ano siya, ganitong size lang din yun. Diyan. But this one, parang equivalent ng 2 sizes. So, ayan. Diba? Bagong-bago pa to, guys. I'm very happy with it. Very smooth. Ayan. Bigat-bigat nito, ha. Kami ni Daddy Mike kagabi ano nito. Ito, binitbit ko na kasi Daddy Mike was working yesterday. Louie! And then, itong mga drawers, binitbit ko na. And then, patulong lang ako kay Daddy Mike sa itong whole, itong pinakamalaki talaga. Pumunta kami ni Ate Paris sa garage, guys, para kunin ito. Ito yung plano kong gawin today. Isa-isahin ko kasi mabigat. So, itong mga frames na to, binili ko to siya nung nasa Melbourne pa kami. And then, pagkarating namin dito, wala akong makitang space para paglagyan. But since na-change na yung aming draw sa pang short siya, so may space ako dito para ilagay itong mga frames, which are very cute, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo isa-isa. Do you wanna help Mama Ate? Try the small ones? So, ito yung pinakamalaki. Ayan. Elegance is the only beauty that never fades. And then
we got this one, and this one's probably my favorite because it has my name on it.
Yeah. Oh, madilim. Ayan, tingnan nyo. My Paris, diba? Sobrang cute. Yung kulay nito ay napaka-cute.
This one's a little bit dirty. So here it is.
Yeah. Medyo madilim, anak. This one, I hope this is not broken. And this one is just, lips.
I like that as well.
Show this last one.
And here's the last one. And this is not a favorite of mine because my name is Will. And you know I like makeup as well, so that's why.
We changed the position of our camera kasi sobrang dilim against the light pa. So, ayan. Hopefully, klaro na siya. So, pakita namin yung mga pinamili namin from Bunnings and other shops nung umalis kami. So, yung gagamitin ko para dito sa, nito. So, ito yung binili ko from Bunnings. Ito yung pang level ba. Make sure na straight ang ating mga frames.
And we got this as well. So,
this is, kasi, we can't damage the wall, guys. Hindi pwedeng gumamit kami ng, tawag dito, nails ba? So, ito yung gagamitin namin. Yan. Then, bumili ako nito, double-sided tape. See if that also works.
And we have handy door hook.
Oh, Nak, how about you give one to Louis this lang, oh? So, while we were out, bumili din kami nito ng snacks for Louis. Just give him one lang. And then, ano pa ba? Bumili ako nito kasi magbibenta na naman tayo ngayong Sunday. So, yan, ating mga price tags. We have some more hooks kasi I believe kakailanganin ko yan. More pandikit. Para sa ating price tag. And then, tape. And yung iba dito, guys, pinabili namin to kagabi. So, last night, we went to the shopping center para bumili ng costumes. Kasi, tomorrow, birthday ng pinsan ko. At my cousins decided na costume kami ng superhero na costumes. So, kailangan namin bumili. So
that's mine.
Show yours. That's yours. Baby,
mine's Ladybug. Ladybug. I love Ladybug. I'd like watch it every time.
Yeah.
I love it.
Celine's as well. So, both the same. Para walang iiyak.
That's $42 for these.
Yeah, no, $21 each. My God. You won't believe it. That's for the kids. Yeah, $21 each. Yung sa akin, kasi ito lang yung naiwan doon na size ko. And this one was $75. But if you are tawag dito, pag member ka, 60 lang siya. Ubuti na lang member ako. So, 60 lang yung nabayaran ko dito. Ayan. And then, what else did we get? Oh, Daddy's got this. Kasi kay Daddy Mike, namahala na si Daddy Mike kasi hindi siya bumili ng kanyang mga props na lang kay Daddy Mike. Ayan, oh.
Daddy's gonna be a little bit silly because like I got this sword. What's Daddy?
No, that's it. And then, regalo for my cousin kasi birthday ng cousin ko today. And tonight, may dinner kami. Ito yung regalo namin para sa kanya. It's okay lang na makita kasi kailan pa kaya ito ma-upload na video. Ayan. Kunin natin ang pressure eh. Ayan. Dodges. Los Angeles. Anak, remember this one, ha? You don't want to forget that. And then, bumili ako ng outfit ng mga girls for tonight. Cute.
The same.
The same sa ni Baby Celine Twinnings. Gonna be very cute. I know. That's from yesterday. And that's it. That's it for our yesterday. Anyways, start na namin ilagay itong mga dito. I-layout ko muna. Ayan, for Daddy. Bandana. Layout ko, we'll see kung ano yung magandang. Actually, anak, this is very interesting because ganito, tingnan nyo. Medyo mahirap. Very tricky. Ito siya kasi very skinny. Yung niya dito. At yung aming ganito. Ayan. Is thicker ba? So, ano naman ito na?
Can I help you with that?
Yeah. But I'm still trying to figure out.
A few moments later.
That's the next one we put?
Yeah.
Okay, let
Update.
me
May dalawa na kaming natapos ni Paris. Tingnan yung aking helper, oh. Okay, take it off. So, yan yung pinano namin at Paris, guys. That one, lagay namin dito, katabi. And then, ito doon sa taas. And this one dito sa gilid. Looks okay. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to our
Na siya ni Pikit. Tapusin na natin to eh.
Guys, ate, pakita akong business eh. Blurred mo lang yung cellphone ni Mother Viewing.
Klaro mo ka. Klaro man.
Clara?
Oh. Introduce your kwan.
Guys, masin...
Ganyan, maraming bag ang aking sisterit, guys. Parehas kami ng business. Linya, talaga namin ang mamaligya ay.
Mama, I'm done.
Thank you, ate. Tignan nyo, oh, maraming pagpipilian. Magla-live yan siya every night at 8 o'clock PM, guys. So, ayan. Sobrang daming mga, may Nike, Chanel oil. Oh, diba? Maraming stocks. Yeah, check nyo na ang kanyang Facebook page, guys. Support natin yung sisterette. Para sabay tayong yumaman.
Free ko, ani. Tawagan natin.
Endorsement.
Endorsement.
Look at this, guys. This is what it looks like now. The final result. And I'm very happy. Ate Paris helped me. Yeah.
Mama sore.
Yeah, very happy with the with the result. No, sabi natin Paris, it looks really different here now. Ayan, medyo tinasan kong konti kasi lagyan ko ng dyan, mga kung anik-anik ba. It looks very nice. I'm super happy. Dito sabi ko kay Ate Paris, this one parang medyo nataasan namin to, but it's not very noticeable naman. Agoy, just Lord. Hindi naman siya halata, diba? Sobrang ganda niya. I'm very happy. Parang namotivate ako na mag-decorate pa dito sa bahay. Sobrang messy na kasi, guys, kaya this actually, you know, this is my momentum. Better do this. Uy, nahayang naman niya akong mama. What happened to you na yabo naman niya akong cellphone? 7:30 na ng gabi, guys. Ang katapark lang ng family dito sa Mount Carvato. So, yung ating kapamilya ay nandun na sa loob ng restaurant daw. Is this one? Have a look at Lini. Shelby outfit, B! Ting-ting! Tingnan niyo ang kanilang outfit. We'll just yeah, near time zone anyway, so yeah, show me.
So begin here.
Show me. Press G. Press the G. Oh, G, anak.
G.
Good girl, Lini. Show me, anak, babe. Show me your outfit, babe. Look, they have the same clothing. Hey, Daddy. Oh, all the same. This way. No, Yamcha. I think outside. Oh, there. Anthony, there. Tito Anthony and Tito Kawan. So that's why. Oh, it looks like they were the Thai food before. Sobrang busy dito, guys. Daming tao. Friday kasi. Daddy, show me my outfit. Show me my outfit. Show my outfit.
Hey, Bob.
Yes. Yamcha. Here, they just went up.
I go upstairs.
Yes. Okay. Oh wow! Big family. Hi. Happy birthday. That's not Tita Princess. Tita Hello. How are you? Oh, that's Tito Prince. Say happy birthday, Tito. I give it to the Prince. Hi, Jack. How are you? Hello, Kim. Long time no see, ah.
Bali-palipan na lang.
Hi, Anton.
How are you?
You're doing good.
Looking great.
Thank you.
Stylish as always.
Hi. Is Marco working? Yeah. Oh, I knew it.
How are you?
Yeah. Good. I'm so hungry, so like
They have an all you can eat. We're doing the all you can eat.
Oh, yeah, cool. Are you gonna sit there, anak? Say hi. It's like here. Oh, nanay. Hello.
Hi there. Hi, our mom. Welcome to our channel. Disney channel.
Musta?
Good. Fresh from the Philippines. How are you, Tito? Fresh.
Ang pala doon sa sasakyan lang siya. Yan lang.
Asa lang ko ka?
Bilin balik. Oh, how are you, Tito?
Got it missed today. Got it missed tonight.
That's good. How are you, Tito?
Silang yapon. Survive.
Guwapo lang yan.
Stay ahead. Stay
Okay. Gentle. Sorry. Oh, the baby. Baby is big. Hi, how are you?
How are you?
Good. Say hi.
Hey! Only one I'm gonna see how much.
Oh my god. Oh, okay.
We don't go out, so this has been like a very like a, you know, that phrase where
Yeah. Oh, chicken corn, but not. Hey, baby. You don't want to sit lang? Sit on that chair? Huh? Come, we're gonna eat. Come on. Dalawang table kami guys. Come on.
Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
Oh, wala yung lugar.
Sorry.
Make a wish. Make a wish. Uy, ata. Yan yung pagkain guys. Alam niyo ba, kasi ngayon lang kami nagbasa-basa ng terms and conditions dito guys. So pag may naiwang pagkain pala dito sa magbabayad din ng $10 kung hindi mo ito maubos. Kasi dito kasi eat all you can. O all you can eat yung tawag nila dito. So $50 per person. Tapos ngayon kung sobra-sobra yung order nyo dyan, i-charge na kayo ng $10 kung hindi maubos. My God, so kailangan ubusin. Tignan nyo may chicken corn soup. Dito meron dyan.
She said we're gonna be late.
We're going
She
home.
said we're gonna be late.
Yeah, everyone finishes dinner. Yeah, we're going home. Yes. Look, go there. Go follow everyone. Follow the leader, follow the leader.
Oh,
hello. If she goes, I go.
Look. Wow, grabe nagpanon.
He's going.
Huh?
He's going.
Yeah, is he?
We're taking photos first.
Yeah, no, it didn't happen yet. We didn't.
Everyone got busy eating.
Yes, my love.
Twice.
Hi everyone. This is Layla, new addition to our family. She's Prince's girlfriend, our manager tonight. She's Prince's girlfriend, guys. Look how pretty she is.
Is that the job you were doing?
Pretty, right?
Is that the job you were doing? Hi, the Jovi.
This is my brother. This is his girlfriend.
Hi, the Jovi.
So tonight, guys, this is my outfit. This is the bag that Ate Jovi got me in my graduation. Look, it's still alive. It's really pretty. It's a Kate Spade. Show us the bag. And the outfit.
It's the same bag I wear every day.
Stop it!
Ngit-ngit na. Oh, what? Are we gonna take a photo or what?
Yeah, waiting for.
Where are we gonna
waiting for
stand?
Tito and Tita.
Oh, where are they?
They went to the toilet.
Say horse, divorce. Divorce, divorce.
Thank you